All right, so today I'm on location. We're at some properties that we are looking at for a particular owner. We didn't manage these properties, but we've got a handful that we're going to see today. So kind of excited about it because this is where I used to sell a lot of houses during the boom, or I should say the bust. And this is a very similar type of situation where, hey, this has been a great rental property. Again, one we haven't managed, but now this owner is looking to potentially, or is going to be selling this place and getting it ready to sell. So what does that look like? So in this particular case, really smart. See this tile, they really did a nice job with some quartz countertops here. They put some nice hardware on these things, and hey, what's gonna make this place really pop is some amazing new flooring, right? You've got multiple transitions of the old flooring, which really pulls away from the look of this place. But hey, when buyers at this is an entry-level house in this market here, when they're spending as much as they have to get a place like this done, it's like they want those little things. Doesn't cost a ton to change out this flooring. Hey, Cherie, nice. But it's easy to really just make this place something that a buyer can be proud of, which in essence then will help in pushing the price. So we're out here today just evaluating what all these are, what they're going to need. This one's got fixtures. The last one that we were at still needed a little bit more work compared to this one, but you know, from baseboards, flooring, all of that's been pulled, which is great. A couple other things as we notice as we walk around, but this is an exciting opportunity. We're going to be doing what we can to get these sold and pushing the values on the retail market, which is cool, and seeing what we can do to make sure that these houses perform like they should on the retail market. We've got a really good process for selling these types of houses, so I'm excited to see how this one fares as well as these others. And yeah, wish us luck. If you're looking for properties off market, if you're looking for something, as we structure these types of these types of properties, again, we don't know the condition like we would if we had managed this one already. When it comes to a property that we've managed, I can give you a pretty good idea as to what condition looks like from a standpoint of, hey, what were the last things we had to do on this thing? What ACs, roofs, what was replaced last? This one will be a little more blind, so this would be a purchase that someone would look at, and we'd want to ensure that they're going through all the inspections, making sure that they're really doing their due diligence to ensure that they know that what they're getting. Because again, we're going into this one a little blind too. But I love this area. Like legit, this is an amazing rental, and I'm salivating. Look at this right on this walking path. This one's out in the Laveen area, not too far from the new freeway. Again, I don't know if the numbers are going to make sense from an investment side of things, but a good place to park some cash in a property like this. It's just, yeah, it's a great floor plan. 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Now I'm selling it, but I love this type of house. These are the ones that do really well as rentals. Cool. I hope this information helps. Again, we'll be back next week. We'll start giving you some more numbers again. The market is still doing some interesting things. Buyers are out looking more than they had been. Inventory's dipped like it should be right about now in the December timeframe. So going into next year, it's going to be a very interesting time to see what this market will provide. Cool. Thanks for watching. See ya.